Guys, welcome back to the second episode for 1,000 Ways to
Make money.
Money, 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 money. So we're gonna go ahead and play this song for you right here. It's called Money, 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 Money.
Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money.
That guy needs to do something else besides
Singing.
you shouldn't do that. So number 2 on 1,000 Ways to Make Money. Make sure you have subscribed. If you have not already, you're gonna miss out a lot. Miss out on money. So number 2, drop shipping. Drop shipping. So what is drop shipping? Drop shipping pretty much means being able to sell a product without having an inventory. He's gonna explain what that is. So
Okay, so guys, let's explain it in the most simple term as we can.
most
right?
simple.
So I'm sitting at home. I'm on my laptop, right? Tick, 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 tick. And I see that, hey, there is a baby product. Okay, let's just say, a milk or like the bottle, which holds
Or
the
diapers.
diaper, something that's selling for really, really well, or a lot of people are buying it right now. So what I decide to do is go and list that product, so diaper or whatever it may be, and then I find a company that's selling the diapers. Let's say Satish is a company that sells diapers.
Supplier.
Yeah, so then I list it out. People start buying it from my link, right? They start saying, hey, I want your product. I want your product. Then I contact Satish. I say, hey, so Elizabeth in Frisco wants 30 diapers. So Satish gets it all ready, puts it in a little package, and then ships it to her. So all I'm doing is sitting here in the middle of Satish and Elizabeth, or whatever name I used. I'm sitting in between and I'm taking her order and I'm telling him ship it.
He's pretty much a middleman is what we call it. He's gonna
Yes.
make that difference. So for example, as a supplier, I have a wholesale price. So, I'm selling diapers or, bands, chairs, TVs for a price. So let's say a TV is on sale I'm selling it for $100, okay? Now he's listing it on Amazon and other places for $150.
Yes.
So when somebody boom 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 makes an order, it goes to him. It goes to him. The person pays him how much?
Yes.
$150.
So $150.
And he pays me $100. Everything is automatic, FYI,
Yes.
because I have a card on file. So he's paying him, and I make my $100 as a supplier. I ship it out to his client with his company name, so she never knows that he's making a profit or he got it for a cheaper price.
Yes. And that way, you eliminate all the shipping, all the annoyingness of having like supplies at home. You don't need to empty out your closet to store a bunch of TVs or
You
diapers.
don't need a warehouse.
Yeah.
All you need is a couple of things: an internet and a computer and a mobile phone. It's easy if you want to take orders while you're at Starbucks. And pretty simple, right? So one more thing. So where do you actually find these products? So you can find them on a site like Alibaba.com. So go to Alibaba.com after the video and you'll be able to find products that a supplier is offering at a wholesale price. You'll find that they're selling gadgets, phones, earbuds for pennies on dollars. So you'll pretty much go ahead and message them and then say, hey, I want to go ahead and do drop shipping.
Yes.
And all you have to do is once you get an order, you just go ahead and supply that order information to that supplier, and they will do the work for you. And
Yes.
even when the client wants to return their item, it comes directly back to me. I refund him, he refunds that client. So everything is settled.
Yes.
So it's called drop shipping. So you can actually make a lot of money from it.
Yeah.
So I know this guy not called Nick.
Yes.
Nick.
His name is Nick.
His name is Nick. He's making a roughly 7 to 8K profit per month.
Yes.
His revenue is about 15, 16K, but profit 7, 8K
Yeah.
each month. And all he does is, finds a product that's trending. For example, what are those things people were selling?
The fidget spinner.
Fidget, okay, so it was selling for like $20-$30 on Amazon. So what he did was he looked it up on Alibaba.com.
Yes.
And of course, Chinese companies, all they do is, they copy it, they make it for a cheaper price, right?
Yes.
And they had it for sale for $1.
Yeah.
This guy, Nick, he puts it on Amazon for $10.
Yeah.
Who are people gonna buy from? Nick, because it's cheaper.
Exactly.
It's the same product, same thing, same everything. So he was making so much money selling those things. So you gotta go ahead and go to Amazon sites where you can see what's trending, what's selling right now.
Yes.
Watch news, what's trending, and pretty much go ahead and sell that same product for a cheaper price and have no hassle.
Yep.
Now, if you like the idea of drop shipping, here's what we're gonna do for you, okay? So there's a link at the description where we're gonna go ahead and put a PDF file that you can download. It'll give you even more details. What we went through was just snapshot. There's so much involved in this. So click that link, get that PDF, and do a checklist. It'll give you so much more information, links, where to sell it, how to find clients, all that good information will be on that PDF. Okay, keep that in mind. And secondly and lastly, make sure to subscribe to us. Make sure to subscribe to our newsletter by clicking on the link on the description, because keep in mind, what we talk about on the video is like 10% of what we teach people. So make sure to subscribe to us on the newsletter, okay?
Completely free.
It's 100% free, and you'll pretty much learn more ways to make money. So that was episode number 2 on 1,000 ways to
Make money.
Do you want to play that song again for this guy?
Yes, it's gonna be on our outro.
Later, guys.
Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money.